Racetrack is on my right. That means we are leaving. I kind of want to get a better look at that grandstand up here. We're gonna go past it, but it's already 2:30 in the afternoon, and we thought we were closer to getting out than what we are.
I'm gonna hit the brakes, he'll fly right by.
That's how you ride. I didn't even see him coming. I should have gave him room. We pull up, and that dirt biker dude, he comes over and asks us which way we headed, and we pointed the way towards Lippincott. We didn't know. We didn't realize. So he kind of gave us a heads up about that whole thing. You know, Lippincott's no joke. We're not down to do that right now. So it's probably hard to see on the camera, but with my eyeballs, there is more hard-packed areas than others, and some areas are soft. So you just gotta watch for that. You know, you just gotta figure where the trucks and Jeeps are driving, because it's a little bit better hard-packed where they're driving. They got me leading still. Hope I'm taking them the right way. I don't know if that's incoming traffic up ahead or if we are going in the same direction. But yeah, we're taking this sideway. This would be kind of a good way to know how to get into the racetrack, you know, a secondary route. Although from Death Valley, I think where this is going to dump me is kind of be out of the way. I mean, it's I mean, the real question is what time am I getting back for dinner? I wonder which way. Hard.
Oh, man down, man down. That I only heard some noise.
Ready? Yep.
1, 2, 3. It was easy with 3 people than with 2 people. You okay?
Yeah,
I think we're gonna go back and go around there.
or stick to this one.
To which one?
All right, well, that was a lot of fun. We're making things happen. Oh, it's soft, but actually it wasn't that bad. All right. All right, onward. Oh yeah.
It's in an odd position.
I know.
Just wait for him.
Okay. Oh man. I almost came out and it was like, God! First time.
Oh, is that?
Yeah, I haven't been off-road enough on it yet.
Okay.
We got Jason here, drop his bike for the first time.
First time.
Okay.
Sorry, yeah.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Oh shit.
Hold on. I can't get grip in this sand.
Yeah. I can try.
Maybe do it this way with a handlebar. Oh.
Take the handlebar out.
Okay.
One. Oops, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
There we go. Holy cow.
This is the best.
Yeah, I should have put less gas in it. I got the kickstand down already, right? Okay, cool. Thank you guys. Yeah. Yeah, everything's good. Oh yeah. Oh my god. That was hilarious. The 360, that camera wasn't working. I cannot believe it. It was sitting there saying processing, processing. I had to pull the battery and turn it back on, so that completely missed the wreck. Yeah. Tell you what, man, this thing is heavy. And I had zero grip with my feet. Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys. All right, we got to be getting close to civilization, because they were on foot, for God's sakes. Oh shit. So we're not too sure about our decisions we're making today, but we're getting through. We're just about on top of Hunter Mountain there, and we really have no idea where we are. This stuff has been fairly loose, pretty steep at times. So yeah, we're just taking a little break and then we're gonna get back on it. But yeah, we're tired. It's getting late, the sun's going down, but overall it's still a lot of fun. It's a good trip. Bike went down only once so far. Break time's over. Got everything cleaned up. A little bit of the windshield, for sure my visors. I wish this Scorpion, well, I think I saw someone talking about the Scorpion. You can find goggles, you just gotta find small ones. But yeah, goggles would be pretty ideal. Although they both got goggles behind me, and so they've been pretty cool about letting me up front. Which I appreciate. I'm having a heck of a time, man. These guys are awesome. It was just by a chance I hooked up with them. I heard them this morning at breakfast. They're like, oh yeah, we'll probably go to Racetrack. I spun around. I don't know, they were probably 20 feet away from me. I'm like, what? And we had a chat. We looked at a map, you know, try to figure it out. But we didn't know about this way. We were gonna keep going, obviously. Wait a minute. Is that snow? Oh, we are pretty high. We're at 6,700. Where we are yet, but we are we're getting lower. We're at 5,600 feet, and the temperature's going up. Temperature's going up. Oh my God. The Joshua trees, and the road is widening and the road is improving. Oh, we found the road. All right. Oh, it was like a tease. Oh yeah. Look, a road. Guys, it was a ton of fun riding with you.
Yeah, man.
Heck yeah, that was awesome.
Awesome. We should do this again.
Awesome trip.
Yeah.
Yep. So you guys are going back to Bakersfield tonight, right?
Yep.
Okay, back to Bakersfield. And then I'm headed back to camp that way. So let's get there. I was promised a steak dinner, so I gotta go. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. Man, I was like, I don't even know. I was all over there. That was amazing. That was a lot of fun. Those guys were awesome, very good riders, and we did great. They were actually talking to each other on headsets, but I, you know, it's all Bluetooth, so it's like only one at a time. Hey, there's Death Valley. I should stop at this sign and take a picture. Oh yeah, what's happening?
Maybe you got lost.
I did, and then I got found. Day 2 is over. It's been a long day. I couldn't remember how many days I've been gone now, but today was some amazing riding. We had fantastic steaks. Big thanks to Paul and Chris for putting that on. Paul took some pictures of the steak. I'll see if I can slip one in this video. But yeah, what a day. So I'm getting back in my tent, getting ready to go to bed. And I guess it was just super dusty today. And I don't know. So there's just dirt everywhere. Look. Look at the dirt in there. Everywhere there's dirt. And I had this zipped up. And I had that zipped up. But I'm sleeping in dirt. That's camping. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed day 2 of the video. All right, I'm going to bed. Day 3 tomorrow, we're pulling out of Death Valley going, not sure where. Maybe Carrizo Plains? Question mark? I think some rain is coming though, which is rare for California. So maybe we'll just hang out in a hotel. All right, hope you enjoyed day 2. See ya.
Are you guys gonna go down Lippincott?
What's that?
You gonna go down Lippincott to get out of here?
No. Yeah, I think we are.
No.
Or,
No?
oh, well, we're going that way, right?
Yeah, we are going that way.
We're going that way.
Then you gotta go down Lippincott to go that way.